The setting crew has left. This is a couple weeks later, and the plumbers are on site from Crawford. They have a lot of tools that they need to do their job, and they are in the process of installing the steam and glycol systems into the brewery. All of the steam is black iron, and all of the glycol is Schedule 80 PVC. This is the low-profile feed water tank that supplies water to the boiler. And above the boiler, you can see what's called the Hartford loop, which transitions into the header, which is the large pipe that then transitions to drops for each individual tank. And as you can see, this is not a small job. They are quite complicated. There are steam traps, Y strainers, vacuum breakers, ball valves, pressure gauges, and they all have to go in the correct order. A little bit less congested on the left here because this is the mash lauter tun. It only has one jacket, whereas the kettle has three, so it's got a lot less components associated with it. And they've passed the main header over the top of the brew house here to supply both tanks. And then they've continued it on to supply steam to the hot liquor tank. The hot liquor tank has an automatic valve that's controlled on the HMI, so you can set the temperature that you want. Next, they'll be starting on glycol installation.